everybody. I have not taken you shopping with me in quite a while, so we are headed out to the usual haunts, I think. I have a really great estate sale to go to tomorrow, so I'm hoping I can get there early enough, because from the pictures it looks like they have a lot of jewelry, like my feet in the back. Mini horses need to eat. Anyway, we're gonna go to my regular antique stores that I go to all the time right now. You know, I just gotta run errands, and anytime I run errands I usually end up at a couple of thrift stores or antique stores. So here we go. There are two things happening this weekend in our area. The first is the estate sale that I told you about that I really want to go to. The other is an annual citywide yard sale event. And last check, there were, I want to say, 200 homes participating in that event. Now, I've gone before, and, you know, yard sales can be very hit and miss. I have found some pretty cool things, but it's kind of a really big, overwhelming event. It's just so much. And the city it's in is very kind of congested with narrow streets. So I'm not sure. I might just grab some friends and go to that just as a fun thing and not really look for anything in particular. But right now I'm going to be extra particular about things that I buy. So I'm gonna look, but if I can't make a decent profit or sell these things really quickly, I'm just gonna have to pass, because I'm getting better at listing stuff, but I still have so much to list. Total spend there, $20.12. Next stop is a little thrift store, and I have to go in there really quickly because I parked underneath a tree that has a bunch of birds in it that will most likely poop on my car. Did the birds poop on my car? Nope. Okay, so this was not my normal sort of thing that I get, but look at this. He's a designer little plush. Look at that face. By Joan Wosner, and her plush sells pretty high, so we'll see. I'm gonna list this guy really quick for Easter. One more place to go, and then I need to run home to let the mini horses out. think I'll wander down a little bit and check the other one out too. I am very glad I went into that last store because I found something I'm hoping is a pretty big deal. We'll see. But look at how pretty. Haven't done a whole lot of research on any of the things that I picked up today, and it wasn't a big haul, but I didn't spend much time looking either. So let's take a look at what we got. This is an older tortoiseshell hair comb. I don't know if I'll be able to change out any of these rhinestones, but it looks like it's only missing one, so I can replace that one. On a piece like this, because some of the rhinestones are already changing color, I am going to have to find an older stone to put in there, because if you put like a brand new stone in there, it's just going to stick out like a sore thumb. This is an old clamper bracelet, probably, I'm guessing, from it's got to be post 50s because of the AB coating on the stones here. It's filthy. I need to clean it, but really pretty. It's also missing two stones. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to find those stones, but I couldn't pass it up. Pieces like this are the ones that I kind of set up to preserve, because something like this would normally just get trashed. And once I get it cleaned up, and if I can find the stones to replace that, the two that are missing, I think it's just going to be a really nice bracelet. These guys, I believe, are... oh, they are marked. It's marked SAL on the back. And I thought those were really pretty. No missing rhinestones. And then there's this guy. This is marked Japan, and it reminds me of a Muppet. I think it's so cute. It's all glass beads. But the funny thing is when I saw it, I thought this was the brooch. But look, it's got a hidden stone on the inside. How cute that is. I'm sure it's all glass, but I will test that stone just in case. I think I see bubbles in it. It's one way to tell if you have a glass stone or a possible hard stone is check for little bubbles, because little perfectly round bubbles do not occur naturally in stone. This piece right here was $3. It was on that big wall of jewelry. It is older, looking at the box clasp. It's a 3-strand graduated necklace with this little cabochon piece. It's got white enamel and rope chain. It's similar in design to a lot of the goldette pieces, but I don't believe it has any markings on it. It's an older piece for certain. This was just odd. It's like a moon and stars celestial type piece, kind of abstract, kind of fun. I just thought that would be a pretty easy sale. I have sold a lot of kind of sun, moon, and stars, abstract, weird things like this in the past. Then the find of the day were these. This was at that last antique store that I went into. I also got the earrings, the 2 earrings at this store. So this is a super heavy chain. Both the necklace and the bracelet are very heavy. And the quality, that's the first thing I noticed, was the quality. The links are beautiful, the finish is beautiful, and when you look really closely, right here on the toggle clasp, it says Christian Dior with a copyright sign. Now, a lot of times Christian Dior is faked. Most of the popular designers have been faked at one point or another. But looking at this piece and looking at the signature, it is leading me to believe that this is a legit 80s Christian Dior set. I paid $10 for the necklace and $10 for the bracelet. I will do some more research on this to make sure that it is indeed legit, but everything looks really good on it. There is a necklace for sale. I've only seen it on First Dibs, and First Dibs, you can't trust their pricing. It's absolutely ludicrous. So my kind of rule of thumb is take that, cut it in half, and knock off like 30%, and that's more the ballpark of what the pricing should be. But I don't know. I will do some more research on this set and let you know how it goes. Okay, that's all I found for today. Tomorrow is that big estate sale, and I'm going to try to get there early. So right now I'm going to sign off and hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.